You're welcome to Karma Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Karma Education. You know, when you talk about Karma Edu, you're coming to talk about education. Today, I have here with me the former SRC president for Takrady Technical Institute, straight from Sefi, Kam Junction, and then Misakana Opukuli Ledger. Yes. 2021-2022 academic year, he was the SRC president for Takrady Technical Institute. We are coming to talk about the reason why you should choose technical schools over grammar schools. I'm not saying say grammar schools are very bad, but I'm saying say with my experience as technical students, the reason why I think you should choose technical school over a year grammar schools. Now let me get you into the conversation. Who I have here today, as I said earlier, is Opoku Elijah, the former SRC president for Takrady Technical Institute 2021-2022 academic year. So Opoku Elijah, yeah. So what's up?
I did your side.
Everything cool. So people are saying say grammar schools, you know, any technical schools, you know. When you say technical, when you say technical, we have the senior high class, the technical, and then we have the main technical school, that is the technical and say vocational schools. And then I went to the same school with you, so I know say so TTI boys say I know say technical school, no, it has benefited me and you. That one we can't lie. So when I experience talking about the grammar and then the technical schools, you know, what is your thoughts on grammar schools and technical schools? Because I feel like say technical, no, and you being the SRC president in some of the technical schools in Ghana, I think say you can give us a great idea of the reason why you should choose technical school over a grammar schools.
Yeah, bro. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to express my view on technical school or grammar school. Yeah. Okay. First of all, thank you. The reason why I'm trying to speak English is I just want to let them to remove some ideas or concepts in their minds that if someone attends technical education, the person can't speak English.
That one is very true. Because you see, we have this idea and say, technical school.
Yes, and that's the concept that is deceiving us.
Okay.
You see, let's take this thing into consideration. Let's take the number of people who graduated in every university, teacher training, nursing training, all the universities in Ghana.
Okay.
And let's check the jobs that are available for them. Yeah. First of all, you have to think that.
Okay.
After thinking that, then you make the right choice for yourself. You are a technical product.
Yes.
Me, I'm a technical product.
Yeah.
I studied building and construction.
Okay.
You studied CT. CT. And you see,
technology.
Yes, and right from school, we started something small to help our life with our technical knowledge that we acquired. We started something. That's how you have started, and now you have Karma Studios.
Yes,
that's the product of technical education. And let's take into consideration those who attend grammar schools in the G Arts, Science after school. What could they do for themselves?
Okay, so for my for the experience that I have experienced and then observed in the community is that when they come from, you know, or when they complete SHS, I mean the grammar schools, most of them, I just say what top forms.
Yes,
and one thing
say even class 1 top forms are. What the best thing you can do is to start mobile money business.
And I say we Indomie.
And you do Indomie or like Susu collector, and you see, and even our ex-president even told the teachers that they should find additional work to do.
Okay, so teaching cannot make them a billionaire.
Yes,
it is very true.
So teaching cannot make them a billionaire. That's what our ex-president told the teachers.
Yeah, it is true.
See, and you completing SHS with your grammar. You see, it's time we the youth, you have to understand that grammar don't buy food.
No, it doesn't.
If my main man said it. Grammar not to buy food, English not to buy food.
Yeah, it's very
like
true.
Work, like your hands work. Like I have my best friend, Danny Boy. See, he attend grammar school.
Okay.
And now he's a
welder.
He's a welder. You see, like he puts all things aside.
Okay.
And focusing on like his handwork.
Yeah.
And now, the last time he was saying, so what I studied in school, so what's the important? Also for the book, the people be no else I know what's it. You see, and one thing I never come say the people should remove from that concept. They should remove from their mind. You see, they think say technical education, who go technical school, just go there and learn work.
Yeah.
But they don't know that
we study all the core.
Yeah, I studied the core.
Yeah.
English, maths, science.
Yeah, and
social studies.
Yeah.
And my electives.
Yes, it's very true.
You are studying the core plus your electives.
Yes.
But I'm studying skills.
Yes.
And you are studying grammar.
So it's more like being an apprentice, and after graduating from your master, you will still get a certificate.
Yeah,
that is similar to the technical schools.
Yes, and now I think, and I'm watching some TikTok videos on how like the Chinese, their kindergarten.
Okay.
What they studied, like when I compare to what we studied in even our SHS, Charlie, I know the C-top.
Yeah, you know the C-top.
Because even the kindergarten people are doing, when they go to school, they are busy. Some people are cooking, some people are building. Like they are busy, they are not learning book. You see.
So with them, you are saying, say, with these foreign students and Europe, Asia, and North America, and then all the continents aside Africa, they train these children with hand skills.
See, yes, and you like our school anthem.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the motto.
Yeah.
Like we change like the part of it.
Yeah.
Some part of it. We train our hearts.
Our hands and mind for self. Okay.
Let's become again.
Okay, no problem. So if you are enjoying this conversation, kindly give us a subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook at Salif Abdul, TikTok, Karma Studios, and as a Sticky the Superstar. Yes, that is whereby we post our educational content. So let's continue the conversation.
Like this even reminds me of our school anthem. It said, "Oh great TTI. We are second to none. We train our hearts, our hands and mind for self-employment." You see? So technical education is telling you that you train yourself for self-employment.
Yeah.
You are going to train your heart, your hands, and you are going to make your mind look sharp for your self-employment. And the fastest way to get employed in Ghana here is self-employed.
Yes.
Now right after school.
Yeah, right after school.
Technical education, it has helped me.
Okay.
And it is helping.
Yeah, it is really helping.
It is helping.
It is really.
And now, the government has done with, like, he has introduced CTVET.
Okay.
This Commission for Technical Education.
Yeah.
CTVET. And I wrote CTVET.
Okay.
And it was very cool. I passed well, but just that sometimes life can set you back and set you top. So yes, we are just coping with life. And what I will say is, aside everything, if you want to live life, go to technical education.
Okay, so you are saying, say, those watching us, those parents, if you are a parent, you are a guardian, you are whatever, you are a sister, a brother, uncle to any candidate who is going to write BC this year, one advice we say, you know, we don't know what you want your ward or your guardian or your children or whatever, whoever you're caring for. We don't know what you want the person to become, but looking at the system right now, we are saying, say, comparing grammar schools to technical schools, you will not like to kindly choose technical education over.
It's true, and this thing, like no one will doubt it, because let you check yourself, check your community, and check your course mates. Those who completed grammar school right after SHS, what could they do from themselves? Don't make my answer just to go and teach like those jobs that you can do. But I have a friend who I completed school with him. Like he has the skills now. He has graduated from a master at home, and now he's continuing to university.
All right.
After he completed university, what job like he cannot do?
Yeah, he can do. He can do whatever he wants to do.
So me, like I think, if a country will develop, it depends on technical education.
Yeah,
it's not grammar. It's not grammar.
Grammar is the since Kwame Nkrumah in pension. Yeah,
Charlie. Grammar self. Intermediate, my future and my youth to say, SHS. Don't follow your friend.
Yeah.
Remove that concept from your mind. Say, we will technical education. It's not true.
It's not true. That one there, you must change that concept. Concept in every word. Say no. That perception. Then go for them. Say, yeah, na technical. Ya bon, mama bon. Kabe me technical. Karma Studios. Karma edu.
Like, I don't know how it calls you for editing.
No. So you must put that in mind and then focus on technical education, because that is one a little advice for those watching us out there. So if you have anything to comment, leave it under the comment section. Yeah, I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, and then I have SRC president for 2021-2022 academic year for Takrade Technical Institute, one of the best technical schools in the world. Now, any greetings to your loved ones out there, and then we close this show.
First of all, like my first greetings go to my parents, Mr. Poku and Madam, my auntie here, and like back to school, Mr. Sare, I greet you, I greet you, Mr. Sare, I greet you, Jumper, I greet you, I remember you said, I just that life is like it's not easy. Life after school, life is not easy. So I remember you. Thank you.
Okay.
And then Sema Mutas also. This teacher really helped me a lot. Sema Mutas, I salute you.
Alright, so Muina Mutini na former SRC president for Takrade Technical Institute, one of the best intuition so bit much choose. When you go there, you say Jack, Jumper, when dead.